In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. Before we start, a quick note. Instant transfers depend on your country, your bank's support for fast payouts, and your PayPal account's status. Fees may apply for instant options, while standard transfers are usually free, but slower. With that in mind, the first thing we need to do is make sure your bank is linked to your PayPal account, because that's what enables instant withdrawals. Open your browser and go to your PayPal account. After signing in, head to the Money or Wallet section. This is where you manage balances and funding sources. If you're on mobile, the layout might look a bit different, but you'll still find the same options in Wallet. Make sure you're on your personal account if that's where your balance is. Business users will see similar controls. Next, look for the option that says Link a Bank and select it. This is the secure flow PayPal uses to connect your bank so you can cash out quickly. If you already linked a card, that's great for purchases, but for withdrawals, especially instant ones, you'll want your bank account connected. You'll be prompted to type your bank's name. Start entering it slowly and choose the exact match from the list that appears. Picking the correct bank matters because routing details vary, and using the wrong institution or branch can cause failed transfers. Depending on your region, PayPal may ask for a routing, branch, or sort code in addition to the bank name. Now, enter your bank account number. Type carefully and double-check every digit before moving on. Make sure the name on your PayPal account matches the name on the bank account. Mismatches can delay or block transfers. Avoid adding spaces or extra characters, and only enter this information on PayPal's secure page. Never send account details via email or messages. When everything looks correct, click Link Your Bank. PayPal may verify your account instantly or ask you to follow on-screen prompts. In some regions, you might see a quick security check before the bank is ready to use. If verification is required, just complete it as directed and return to the Money or Wallet page when finished. That's it. With your bank now linked, you're set up for instant transfers whenever they're available to you. When you cash out your PayPal balance, you'll see options for instant or standard transfer, along with any applicable fees and estimated arrival times. If you don't see the instant option, it may not be supported by your bank or region, or your account may need additional verification.